In this video, we'll show you what to do if the HDMI connections are not working on your Dell laptop and you can't seem to connect your laptop to a monitor or a TV. So to fix this, first press Windows plus P together on your keyboard. So this will open this project menu. In this menu, select duplicate or extend option and see if your Dell laptop shows content on the external monitor or TV. However, if this doesn't work, right click anywhere on the desktop and then go to display settings. Now here scroll down and then click on advanced display. Now in this menu, use this drop down menu to select your external monitor or TV. Once you have done that, go to this choose a refresh rate option and then select a different refresh rate from this list. Once you have done this, see if your Dell laptop shows anything on your external display. However, if this doesn't work, right click on the start icon and then go to device manager from the list. Now in the device manager window, you need to expand display adapters. Here you should see your GPU driver. It may be named Nvidia, it may be named Intel or AMD. It doesn't really matter. Simply right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now tick this checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, what you need to do is shut down your Dell laptop completely. Once it is off, unplug everything from your Dell laptop, that includes the charger and all the other accessories. Once you have unplugged everything, simply press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, turn on your Dell laptop and then try to connect it to an external monitor or TV once again. If possible, try using a different HDMI cable and see if that fixes the issue.